Hi, my name is Jason. I'm 27. I'm currently doing my apprenticeship in engineering. The apprenticeship is a really good way to get your career. You get paid as you train and get a lot of experience as it is completed in a workplace. Back in 2019, I started with level 2 multi-skill engineering. The course is brilliant. Even if you're new to engineering, the course covers different sectors: welding, electrical, fabrication, and mechanical. You complete each of these in your first year, and it lets you see your strong points and abilities to which career you desire. I've chosen mechanical and really enjoy it. In work, we be covering breakdowns, mechanical maintenance of plant and machinery, and routine checks to stop breakdowns from happening. The skills I have learned will help me in everyday life, and I want to continue this path and progress to my own career.